Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So there's been a big change. I think I'm just going to quit pre-announcing videos. Um, I was going to do a Colorado Craft Company video for you guys over the weekend for the May Anita Jerem release. Well, I started recording the video and realized I had accidentally reordered the April. Because I was so anxious and excited to get the May, I made a mistake. Fortunately, I reached out to Colorado Craft Company. They are super nice. I'm getting ready to send my order back. They're going to refund, and then I will reorder the May release. In the meantime, I'll also be ordering the June release. So there's going to be Anita Jerem overload over the next month. So if you're a lover of Anita Jerem just like me, be on the lookout for those. And I had originally said I was going to combine 2 BoxyCharm orders. This is actually the June BoxyCharm box. And then I have I have a pop-up that's coming. It's already shipped when it gets here. I have no idea. But I thought instead of combining them and then, because I'm not going to be just busting out videos to bust out videos, because I am trying to focus on the craft room. My sister is gone for 2 weeks training for her new job. So my progress will be slower because I can't lift things, and she's really helped with a lot of the lifting, and I've told you, she's cracking the whip. So while she's gone, I'm going to try to pretend that she's sitting there fussing at me like, do you really need that? What are you going to use it for? And go from there. But those of you who are here for the BoxyCharm unboxing, I hope you don't mind suffering 2 minutes into the video before we get to it. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, yes, BoxyCharm. There's some good stuff in this one. I think a lot of this I do plan on keeping. My daughter's always wanting to get into it to see what she might be able to confiscate. Here is the information card. I have already previewed everything off camera. This is the Luna Magic Primer Base, volumizes and thickens. It's basically for your lashes. Vava Pink Lash Primer. And it says, with just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new and innovative emulsifier which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long-lasting. And it says the retail is $25. So let's pull it out. It's funny, it says Vava Pink, but it looks like a lavender. So open it up. That is going to be interesting when I give that a try. Maybe that's why they call it Vava Pink, because yeah, that's going to be interesting. It kind of stinks. But I guess mascara doesn't necessarily smell good. So there was that. I am interested in trying that out. So the next item is this Able Skincare London Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream. This has to be a sample or like a travel size. It's 1.69 fluid ounces, and it says the MSRP is $114. So if this is $114, all I can say is wow. Anywho, it says this cream aims to restore skin's balance and infuse deep hydration and nourishment. It also works to improve skin texture while lessening the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, they said the MSRP is $114. Again, I don't know if this is the full size. Again, I'm assuming this is a travel size. But so there's that. I'm all about anything that's going to help reduce aging. Next, we have the Jeka Block Hydrate Primer. Hydrating primer for face, vegan friendly, cruelty free. So, finally, a moisturizer that helps your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. $20. So, little bitty tube for 20 bucks, but I'm assuming that this is probably the full size. So let's see, does it, I have a thing about smell. I don't know if you guys do. Oh, wow, this thing's on, hold on. It's hurting my hands trying to get it off. Okay, here we go. All right. Well, it feels nice. It has no smell, so that's okay. I'd rather have no smell than to stink. Yeah, you know? Some things it's just like, yeah, no. And I guess we should check and see what this one is. Set that over there. Oh, that smells, that has a really nice light, clean smell to it. So I like that. So there's that. And then we have 2 more items left, everybody. We have the Hollywood, California Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So, okay. An advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore-clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. Retail is $32. That's a big tube. 5 ounces. Directions. Squeeze a generous amount into dry hands, add warm water, and rub hands together to create foaming lather. Apply to dry face, massage evenly in circular motions, rinse well, and pat dry. Use daily as desired. Do not use as mask. Alrighty then. I'm not going to squeeze this one out because I'm not doing any cleansing at the moment. I've already done that. See. So, it's, you know, it is gray. They did say it does have charcoal in it, so it has a nice smell. It's nothing awful, nothing like to ooh and ah about, but I am looking forward to giving this a try. If anybody's used this, you know, comment below, let me know. Again, it says the retail's $32, which I think is fairly reasonable for a cleanser. Oil fighting, mattifying, and clarifying. So there is that. And then the last, so this box is a little damaged because I was having a really hard time getting into it. This is called the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. Like I said, it did not want to come open. It didn't matter how hard I tried. So I think this is more like just a bronzing palette is what this is. Which I'm all over. I'm loving all of that. Some of it I think you could probably use possibly as eyeshadow. So yep. So I'm very happy with this box. I just got the email from them to that allowed me to like pick one item in my July box. So really happy. Of course, y'all know that this girl picked an eye palette because I love my eye palettes. So, but that was my June BoxyCharm box. I do want to share that I've been reading some people saying them having issues with the product that comes in their BoxyCharm boxes, saying that it's like expired, or I have not experienced that, but I wanted to share that just in case, you know, check your product when you receive it. Like I said, I haven't had that issue as of yet, but it is something that I am going to be keeping an eye out for going forward, because that was something new to me. But a lot of y'all know BoxyCharm is new to me. I've only been doing it, I started it this year. So I just wanted to share that bit because there have been some channels that have been posting videos about product coming either expired. I think like some lipsticks were coming, and they said that they noticed mold. So I don't know anything about that. Again, I've checked everything I've received and it is good. Again, I am not affiliated with BoxyCharm. I'm not sponsored by them. This is a subscription box that I do pay for. So, and y'all know I always try to be honest with you guys with anything that does come across my desk, whether I buy it or if it is sent to me. Because we all know our money is precious to us. And if I can help you guys not make a mistake that I make, or, you know, let you guys know whether I think something is good or not. Now, you know, obviously I can't, you know, I would have to use this a while to let you guys know. But I am excited about a new cleanser. Because I have dry to oily zones on my face. It really sucks, but anywho, there we go. My June BoxyCharm box. Again, I do have another box that's on the way. I don't think there's only a couple of items in it, and they may not be very exciting, but I will share it when it arrives. And again, if you are one of my crafters, my apologies on the not posting a Colorado Craft Company video. Again, I love the artist so much that I accidentally ordered a bundle twice. And so I'm shipping that back and getting the correct one. So with that, y'all have a great Monday. I love you guys to pieces. As always, happy crafting or painting your face. Bye-bye.